This warning has been issued by the United Kingdom government. Please stand by for further instructions. A national emergency has been declared by the United Kingdom government. Please listen to this following message, as it might save your life. Around 5 days ago, a spacecraft had crashed near the town of Banbury. Following this incident, many citizens saw similar spacecrafts flying across Great Britain. Hours later, people across our planet were seeing spacecrafts flying in the sky before randomly disappearing. We regret to inform you that the aliens have started to strike random locations around the country. We tried our best to prepare, but nearly all weapons are completely useless against them. This attack had started around 30 minutes ago. Not only they are striking the Great Britain but many other countries across the globe. Nearly all nations are currently addressing their people. Remain indoors, if you want to live tomorrow. Do not make yourself known. Lock all entrances to your home. If any of your family members were outside at the start of the attack, consider them deceased. If they come back, you can let them in, but you have to be as silent as possible. We do not recommend fighting back against them on your own. Emergency services are also unable to operate at this moment. Stay hopeful and do not panic. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.